Solar energy, as one of the cleanest sources of energy generation, is high in demand due to environmental concerns and rising energy prices. To be able to provide a long-lasting performance for effective green energy generation, we have developed the YH36M series. Our 144-cell monocrystalline panels can deliver 21.51% peak efficiency and up to 550 watts of power, ready to deliver promising performance across various solar projects. We have crafted our panels with proven half-cut technology where the conventional cells are divided in half by laser cutting. While producing the same amount of power as conventional cells, the current travels shorter distances, resulting in a significant reduction in resistive losses. Moreover, half cells are less prone to microcracking and have better shade tolerance, enabling you to have better yields even in shaded conditions. Our fully automated state-of-the-art production line handles all the processes from soldering to framing, enabling us to offer defect-free products. With our advanced inspection devices, we are making 2 electroluminescence testing to make sure our modules reach you without any flaws. Thanks to carefully selected premium materials and durable design, our panels have been successfully implemented from the Tibetan mountains to African deserts. With field-proven, decade-long experience, Isola Solar delivers prominent solar modules and inverters to build a greener world.